my gaming book. So this is just like tic-tac-toe but with some different things. Next is this.
Is it?
This is also the same thing. You need to do these. If you do it wrong, sometimes it will happen. Next, it is this.
Okay.
All we need to do is roll the dice. This is start and this is finish. Or this will be here. Just like that.
Okay.
Next it is this. This is like find the thief. This game is about police and the thief. There will be lots of characters. There's eight characters in this game.
திருடம் போலீஸ் விளையாட்டா? அதைத்தான் நீங்கள் வேர்ல்டு இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் கேம் மாதிரி பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. ஓகே ஓகே, குட் குட்.
And we have, this is the police, poor man, normal man, king, good man, thief, rich man and queen. And among all of these characters, we need to find the thief. So this is tic-tac-toe. Everyone plays this in school. So I put tape on this so I can erase it easily. Next comes, this is like a puzzle. You need to arrange it. And try to put it back together in its original form. That's like that. Next, I just wanted to put some things here so it comes in the game. Next, this is like snake and ladder, but I don't stuff. I don't go to one, lose 2 times of rolling the dice and stuff like that. Next is trading. It is like trading stuff. If I put one thing here and another person puts something here, I need to press that and another thing will come. And next is the business game. Everyone, I think, knows to play it. I put some coins inside this. I think I put some 42 coins. This is start. I need to take 2 coins. So here is like that. And that is done. Thank you.
Very good.